Hi dear friends, this is our ready panel board of forward and reverse with steroid. When you are saw on my previous video, the times you seen the previous video, what is the controlling circuit of this forward, reverse and star delta, and what is the power block diagram of this forward, reverse and star delta. So there's a similarity we are controlling of our this channel board in step by steps. So firstly I want to show you this device is the step up transformer. This input is a 220 and 380 volts. Okay, we have no three-phase line, that's why we are converted of our single phase to three-phase line. Very important devices for controlling of our three-phase motor in 220 volts. Of any kinds of three-phase devices we want to run to this single phase to three phase, the times we must be need of this step up transformer. You are seeing here this 23 and 24 is 220 volts, and this 20 and 21 is 400. That means this 20 and 21, this 400, absolutely 380 volts in your two phases active in here, and output is going to your U1, B1 and W1. This is the terminal. When seen of my previous video, the part number 1, the times you in there, this is the input of U1, V1 and W1. Okay, so friends, step by step I was described in here. This is our single phase circuit breaker, it's a ABV, and its input in phase and output is a phase is directly connected to the switch of in here. You are seeing of my controlling circuit, the times you are showing in here. This is the forward and this is the reverse switch, and this is the emergency stop button. So friends, this is the forward and this is the reverse, and this is the delta and our star. When we are start of our this forward, and the times it's running with the star, and after 20 seconds in setting here, that's absolutely dependent on your factory, on your load. When you are set of your minimum 10 seconds, 15 seconds and 20 seconds, there is a safety for your load and for your factory. Okay, so friends, this is the converted of direction of your motor start to delta. Okay, after 20 seconds it's converted to the delta reference of forward, and then when you are run of our motor as a reverse, the times it's also going to this star directly, and after 20 seconds it's converted to this delta point. Okay, this is the indicator, and when we are connected of our power, the times is indicator is on. The when forward directions with the star delta, the times its indicator will be on, and this is the reverse conditions, and this is the trip. Any kinds of unexpected overload or load side, the times its overload will be trip. The times its load will be off any kind of condition, reverse or forward. Okay, with the star delta. So friends, I hope you guys understand what is the main theme. We are controlling of our whole circuit by timer, and this is the relay, and this is the top auxiliary. This is the star and delta, reverse and forward, and star and delta. This is the two types interlocking systems. That means we have a single NC in here. When we are extra NCs needed, the times its top auxiliaries needs in here. I wanna run off our this project. So now going to this power of this power is transformer. You going here, this transformer is input in here. This is the 220 supply, and we are seeing here, this is the 380 volts about transformer input, and this is our panel single phase line. Okay, 2 is on in here. You see in here this power button is on, that means active by power. I want to show front of you about what is the input voltage transformer. Okay, so see in here I want to measure of our input voltage. What is the input voltage of a transformer? The times you are selected of our range in AC mode. Okay, so friends, I want to show to you in here, quickly show for this measured voltage. This is very risky because 380 volts in our output in every phase is in here. So you see in here, this is the 224 volts show in here, and something is variations. So friends, our input voltage is 224 volts, and our output I want to show to you. This is our 393 volts. That is dependent on your input voltage. The times you got about 400 volts. There are many voltages in our output. Okay, so friends, this is our single phase to three phase controlling the voltage. So friends, I want to show to you in here. is our input, and its output going to this our two phases in our magnetic conductor of forward, and which is output going to this U1, B1, W1. When you are seeing of my previous video number 1 part of video, the times you will see in here where is going to the forward line U1, B1 and W1. This is directly connected of our terminal input, and the changing this is the our three-phase line is directly connected in here, and it's also directly connected in here, and this is our reverse. So friends, if any kinds of single phase is changing here, when you are change of any kinds of phase, the times change of ultimately change of two phases. Okay, so friends, this is the delta. Okay, delta output is as like as changing as like as delta pattern. Okay, U1 going to W2, and U2 going to the V1, and B2 going to the W1. Okay, this changing devices in here, and absolutely you got in here. So friends, I wanna start off our motor. This is our panel is ready for this situation you are seeing here. Our 220 voltage is ready for the internal connection of controlling circuit, and our power is ready. When we are show of our the time start of our panel. Okay, so friends, let's go to our this panel now. For this is the our output of 380 voltage. One phase is missing. The times when we are start of our motor, the times initially we are start of our forward, reverse and directions. Now you are seeing here, this is the forward indicator light is on here. Our forward is the indicator, and this is the forward is the reference is this is the start is going on right now in here, and our timer is 20 seconds sets in here. When after the 20 seconds the times is off, or start will be off, and delta is running here. These are now 20 seconds off, the times your start is off and delta is on, and I wanna stop off these forward sections. The times is sometimes before you are seeing here, this is the forward reference. So initially this is the start is going on, and then after 20 seconds it will be on. Okay, so friends, now I wanna show to you about the direction of reverse. Now we wanna show to this reverse conditions. Reverse condition is forward is on, you are seeing here. So friends, I wanna show to you this is the reverse. Okay, previously I was showing forward, and now the reverse is reference of start. Okay, start is reference of reverse is going on in our motor. So friends, now the after 20 seconds is delta is on, start is off. When the delta is on, output voltage will be increasing. Now I want to trip of our this reverse conditions. When trip of our reverse condition, that times you see here this trip valve is on, and our load. That means our load our trip condition. When trip condition you are not on or for any kinds of directions, the times it's not work. Okay, so friends, when you are a trip of your any kinds of load, so firstly you wanna reset. First we wanna reset. When you are reset, the times you are going to the previous channel. That means this our panel is normal condition right now in here. Share to you, this is the forward conditions. Start is reference of forward. Now this is going on in here. After 20 seconds it will be changed, start to delta. Okay, so friends, this is the our forward conditions, and after 20 seconds it will be changing to this point in here. This is the start conditions, and this is the reverse conditions in here. We are going to this reverses conditions in here. So friends, after 20 seconds it will be changing, start to delta. Okay, now these conditions is reverse positions. So friends, I hope you guys understand what is the main theme is. This is the power on button, and this is the reverse conditions in here. After 20 seconds it will be changing in delta condition. That means its start is off and delta is on. When you are trip of our load, then you are trip of our condition, that times this trip valve is on, that times you're not working of our any kinds of unload. That means must be reset of our condition. This is normal positions. Dear viewers, if you like video of Planet Automation Limited, please subscribe the channel and then click the bell icon. This process will never miss another new update. Follow the next video tutorial. Till then, Allah Hafiz.